Fazlur Rahman says how to be persistent in prayers. Sometimes I do not like to pray. Please describe maybe penicillin, I don't know, for this problem. First of all, it is not a choice. It is not something you may pick up or not. This is an obligation. This is part of the tests that you are receiving on this earth, which would determine whether you will go to hell on the day of judgment or to paradise. If you are not persistent, if you're not regular, strong characteristic of the hypocrites. Allah described the hypocrites in Surah An-Nisa, and He said, وَإِذَا قَامُوا إِلَى الصَّلَاةِ قَامُوا كُسَالًا. Whenever they stand up to pray, they pray in the state of laziness. Allah described the hypocrites to pray, and you are not persistent and you are not doing that, which means, mentioned last session, that the most burdensome prayer upon the hypocrites, Fajr and Isha. Had they known what lies in them, they would have come crawling on their hands and knees. So the best motor, the best driver that would make you pray on time is to know the punishment, is to know that you are under the threat of being a hypocrite, a full-fledged hypocrite, and that the Prophet ﷺ almost burnt the houses of those who do not pray with him, and the only thing that prevented him from doing so was the fear of women and children being present. So I hope this acts as a wake-up call